to ditch the overpriced mystery ingredient granola bags and make your own wholesome, crispy, and downright delicious granola at home? Oh, and bonus, it's not just tasty, it's packed with health benefits too. From brain boosting almonds to immune supporting coconut, this recipe will help power your body and your mornings. Okay, real talk. Store-bought granola. It's fine until you check the label and see the sugar. All that sugar. But don't worry, we're about to make a version that's not just healthier, but actually good for you in all the best ways. Plus, you can pronounce every ingredient. Grab your rolled oats, almonds, and some coconut flakes. Because today, we're making a granola that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Let's start with the dry ingredients. You'll need 6 cups of rolled oats, 4 cups of quick oats, 1 cup of whole wheat pastry flour, a half a cup of shredded coconut, because we're fancy like that, 1 cup of sliced almonds, 1 cup of raisins, and 1 cup of craisins for that sweet, tangy twist. Now, let's pause for a second and talk about what makes these ingredients so good for you. First up, the oats. Rolled oats are a whole grain powerhouse full of these cool compounds called anthamides. They're like little superheroes for your body with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and even antihistamine properties. So they do more than just fight off morning grumpiness. They're helping you stay healthy from the inside out. And then there's the coconut flakes. These aren't just a tropical treat. They're packed with medium chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which give you quick energy when you need it most. Plus, they're loaded with fiber to keep your digestion on track. And they even contain compounds that can boost your immune system and help improve cholesterol. Who knew a crunch could do so much? Now, almonds. These little guys aren't just tasty. They're like a snack for your brain and your body. They can help with weight loss, feed the good bacteria in your gut, protect your skin, and even boost your memory. Basically, they're doing all the work while you enjoy the crunch. And don't underestimate the raisins. Sure, they might look like wrinkly little time travelers, but they're bursting with antioxidant and can help lower blood pressure and even have compounds that fight cavity-causing bacteria. That's right, raisins are basically nature's toothbrush. Who knew? Once your dry ingredients are mixed, it's time for the wet team. Blend together 1 cup of water, 1 cup of canola oil, 1 cup of honey or maple syrup, whichever you prefer. And don't forget the flavor powerhouses. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of almond extract, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Now, the moment of truth. Mix, mix, mix. Feel free to get your hands in there and mix it all up. Yes, your hands. This is granola, not rocket science. And it's the best way to make sure every oat, almond, and raisin gets coated in that sweet golden goodness. It's like giving your granola a massage. Oats deserve a spa day too. If the stickiness creeps you out, just make sure everything gets coated well with your spoon. Once it's all mixed, spread it out evenly onto a large baking sheet. Look how much granola this makes. We will need 2 large baking sheets. This is how you ensure every single bite has that perfect crunch. Option 1, bake it at 225 degrees for about an hour and a half, stirring occasionally. Or option number 2, Bake it overnight at the lowest oven setting. No stirring needed. You'll wake up to the smell of heaven in your kitchen. Trust me on it. It's worth it. It's like breakfast is working the night shift, so you don't have to. Once it's golden, crispy, and smelling like the best bakery in town, take it out and let it cool completely. This step is key. Cool granola means crunchy granola. Now, here's where the magic happens. Use it on yogurt, smoothie bowls, on chia pudding, or just eat it by the handful. It's granola. You really can't go wrong. If you want to know how to make a chocolatey chia pudding, check out my other video. And there you have it. Perfectly toasted, homemade granola that's easy, wholesome, and ridiculously delicious. Plus, you've got oats fighting inflammation, coconut boosting your immune system, almonds feeding your brain, and raisins fighting cavities. Your mornings just got a glow up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because we've got more easy, healthy recipes coming your way. Now, go enjoy your granola. You earned it. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.